How to fix the first Descendant stuck on loading screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna teach you few of the methods that you can use in order to resolve the issue of the first Descendant being stuck on the loading screen. First of all, you need to verify your game files. So for Steam, you need to go to the Steam library and then right click on the first Descendant. Then select Properties and then go to Local Files tab. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Then you need to update your graphics drivers. For that you need to go to the official website of Nvidia if you are using Nvidia graphic card, AMD if you are using AMD graphic card, and Intel if you are using Intel's graphic card. So on their respective websites you just have to go there and download and install the latest drivers in your device. Then you can even try to run the game as an administrator. For that you just have to right click on the game and then you just have to select the option of run as administrator. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.